Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Several executive changes have been announced across Jamaica. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, has a new Director General. She is Alicia Delate Budair, who has been acting in the role since the departure of former head Carol Coy. Mrs. Delate Budair previously served as Deputy Director General in charge of research, design, and evaluation, where she led the team responsible for maintaining the agency's infrastructure. Over at Wigton Wind Farm Limited, they have advised investors that Mr. Horace Masado and Mrs. Camille Facey have been appointed independent, non-executive directors effective September 1, 2025. And then Blue Power Group has appointed Andreen Jones as financial controller effective September 1. Mrs. Jones, who has been with the company since May 2020 as chief accountant, has played a key role in its finance operations for over 4 years. In terms of mergers and acquisition, Jamaican-based separate-owned A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings on Tuesday announced that it has purchased a 50% interest in Armstrong Agencies Limited, creating a partnership between the two companies. This transaction was carried out through ASBH's subsidiary in Barbados, Retail Acquisition Company, which also owns Stanfield Scott Barbados. Armstrong Agencies is a premier Barbadian distributor representing global brands across the food, beverage, confectionery, personal care, and pharmaceutical sectors. For the trading period ending September 3, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, with 14,134,934 units traded, representing 70.46% of market sales volume. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial, with 1,645 units traded, representing 4.99% of market sales volume. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Manufacturing and Distribution, with 580,185 units traded, representing 2.89% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 3, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $53.48 million purchased and US $66.63 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.03 per dollar, selling the US at $161.17 and buying the US at $159.14. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $4 per transaction, with selling at $118.70 and buying at $114.70. The British pound yielded Forex traders $7.96 in profits, with selling at $217.10 and buying at $209.14. For our credit report for the day, far too many people still believe that debt will somehow vanish if they ignore it, or that banks will automatically keep their credit reports accurate. These myths are not only false, they're expensive. Ignored debt continues to grow with interest and penalties, and uncorrected errors can drag your credit score down for years. The real cost isn't just numbers on a report. It's the missed chance to buy a home, fund an education, launch a business, or create wealth for your family. Taking charge of your credit is not optional. It's the foundation of financial freedom. When you're building something from nothing as a professional woman over the age of 45, wealth doesn't just happen by accident. It's built through consistency and leadership. By committing to a weekly CEO hour, you step into the role of financial leader in your own life. In just one focused hour, you can organize your cash flow, spot opportunities to grow income, and capture the wins that fuel long-term success. You can take up these ideas. So, plan networking or client outreach to generate new income. Evaluate opportunities to bundle services for higher cash flow. Identify opportunities for passive income expansion. And then review financial risk and create mitigation plans. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.